Another hot update coming in from Tony Awan, the MP that you already know. Still via Mighty Fire FM, the artistic impression of the proposed Karuma Bridge has been released. As you can see, this is something so surprising. They had not released earlier, but I don't know whether due to pressure is the one forcing them to do this, or maybe something they had planned to do at this respective time. Via Mighty Fire, the update from Tony Awan goes: the artistic impression of the proposed new bridge at Karuma, named the Extra-Dosed Concrete Bridge. It has been called Extra-Dosed Concrete Bridge. Reveals a total span of 240 meters. The outer spans measure 60 meters each, while the mid span stretches 120 meters, clear of the fast moving waters. The Environmental and Social Impact Assessment, that's ESIA, study is currently in progress and is expected to be concluded by May 2025. May 2025. The bridge design is projected to be completed by April 2026, with procurement of the contractor slated for July 2026. Construction is scheduled to commence in August 2026 and is expected to be completed by 2029. Wow. So that is from 21. Still on the same development, certain facts that you need to know about the renovation works on Karuma Bridge. One is removal of the deck. This involves taking off the surface concrete. Then the second one, replacing the 6 bearings. These bearings, which function similarly to the bridge's shock absorbers, have worn out and need replacement. Then the third thing that you need to know is reinforce the bridge elements. Bridge elements, also known as abutments or abutments. Strengthening the fundamental support structures of the bridge. That's the function of these bridge elements. Then the fourth one, which is the last one, install a new deck. The new deck, laying a fresh layer of concrete to replace the old surface. That's what is called installing a new deck. The steel girders or the beams of the bridge remain in excellent condition. However, delays have been caused by procurement issues related to the bearings. The suppliers faced challenges obtaining the original bearing, as they were of an older technology. As a result, the bearings had to be refabricated and are expected to arrive by mid-October. In the meantime, the removal of the deck and reinforcement of the abutments will proceed as planned. That is the update from Ladit MP Mayor Mokochek, Tony Awan. Thank you.